Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you. Hello everyone, how's it going? I am good, and you? Today we will continue the series for How Are You in Fusha Arabic Conversation playlist. Now let's continue about How Are You. كيف حاله؟ كيف حاله؟ كيف حاله means how is he? How is he? كيف حاله؟ كيف حاله؟ كيف حاله? How is he? كيف حالها؟ كيف حالها؟ كيف حالها؟ كيف حالها means how is she if you are talking to a singular female. How is she means كيف حالها ها كيف حالها. But if you are asking about two persons, like two males or two females, you should say كيف حالهما. كيف حالهما, it means how are they, only for two persons, not more than two. كيف حالهما. So let's say them again. كيف حاله, how is he. كيف حالها, how is she. كيف حالهما, how are they, for two persons, only for two persons. Okay, so we will continue talking about how are you in the next videos, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Salam. Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel by click the subscribe button and then click the bell button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.